G'day guys, Two Aussie here again. What's cracking? So today I'm heading off to Domino's and they sent me a text earlier today. My mates Domino's, they're always sending me texts. So they've sent me a text saying for the next 2 days you can get 30% off their traditional and premium pizzas. So I'm going to go off and grab a reef steak and bacon, which is a new one with the new range, which was good. I wanted to try that, so this will give me an opportunity to try that one and get it for a little bit cheaper than usual. Normally I think, what is it, $15.45, so we're going to get 30% off that hopefully. And also my son's just come home, so I'm sure he wants some food. It's near dinner time. I'm going to get him a chicken, bacon and avocado, which is actually more expensive than mine, which is $15.90. So we should be able to, I think it's for more than one pizza, so we'll find out. I'm going to jump in the car, get on the app and see if we can order this pizza online, and then I'll pop in and pick it up. So guys, I'm just going to jump in the car and we'll sort that out. So this is the text they sent me earlier today. Summer sun got you craving pizza. Sorry, start again. Summer sun got you craving pizza. Get 30% off large Domino's traditional and premium pizzas. 2 days only. So let's go in there and see what happens. Okay, 30% off large traditional and premium pizzas. Click below to activate the code. Okay, let's do that. Pick up. I'm going to pick it up. Now that's the wrong store. I tried earlier to change this and it wouldn't do it, but I'm just going to continue and then see if I can change it. Come on, it's been a bit slow at the moment. I think my Wi-Fi is a bit playing up at the moment. Okay. Now, go to menu, Domino's pizzas. So I want, where is it? Reef steak and bacon. Select. Classic crust will do. Add to order. Did I do that? Oh, size. Large. Add to order. Done. There you go. $10.81. I save $4.64 because we got the 30% off. That's good. So let's see if we get another one. Add items. Pizzas again. Now, what was that one Liam wanted? Chicken, bacon and avocado. Sounds good to me. Select. Large one. Add to order. Now his was a bit more. So here's, we've saved $10.81, no, $11.13 for his. So $21.94, not bad. Considering we're with the $9, they were going to cost $30, over 30, like $31 something. So that's all right. We saved $9. Finish order. Okay. So it's saying the wrong store, but I have to fix that up. So anyway guys, I'll continue this because it will get a bit boring for you, and I won't put my mobile, and I'm not telling people my name. I got asked a Q&A about that, and I'd rather keep that a secret at the moment. You can all just call me Two Aussie for now. So guys, I'll just finish this order off, go and pick them up, and then I'll come back and we'll test out what the new pizza is I'm getting, how nice it is. See you soon guys. Okay guys, we're back from Domino's. Got the pizzas, got Homeboy with me here.
How you going?
G'day is the word.
How you going, Aussie enough?
Oh, g'day.
This is mine.
I got the good one.
Yeah.
Oh, yours looks pretty good too.
Yeah, it does.
I'm going to pinch that avocado.
Oh, are you?
Thanks.
All right.
I've got no avocado on mine.
Pinch that bit
No.
of it. Oh, you're pinching stuff
No.
off mine. Come
Now,
on.
here we go guys. So that avocado doesn't taste too good.
No.
This is the reef steak and bacon. I remember the name, I wasn't going to remember it. Reef steak and bacon. This is a new one at Domino's, new range. So like I said earlier, we got 30% off on these two pizzas. What's yours one called?
I have completely forgotten, but it's got bacon, avocado,
And chicken.
and chicken.
And that's what it's called. Haha!
May as well be called that.
Look at all the drizzle on it. Is that drizzle? Is that cheese? Let's taste the drizzle first with a bit of bacon.
I'm just going to start eating because I'm starving.
I don't blame you. I'm not too hungry yet. I'm okay, but yeah, I think that's cheese drizzled everywhere. So far so good. Should hold it that way, otherwise it might slip out. So guys, great pizza. Now in Australia, these little guys, a lot of people call them shrimp, we call them prawns. So if you hear me say prawn, that's why. And that tastes delicious already, that prawn.
I wonder how the avocado's going to go on this one.
Should be alright.
Yeah.
So this, a few videos back, guys, I did one about chicken, garlic chicken, bacon and ranch. That was one of the new ones in the range, and actually when I did that video I saw this one was new as well, and I actually did want to try this. But today, like I said earlier in the video, Domino's sent me a text saying that they got this 30% off for 2 days, so I thought let's have a pizza and I'll try that new one that I wanted to try. So it's sort of going to be about value and about a bit of a review on this one as well. You can review that if you like, but it's up to you.
I'll give it a review when I'm done.
Well, I don't think we're going to keep the video going until we both finish, so you let it rip whenever you like.
Yeah, when I'm a bit more full.
That screeching noise, guys, you can hear, if you can hear it, that's these bloody white cockatoos that are very annoying around here. Beautiful birds, but they're very noisy and very annoying. And so far, I'm liking this one probably better than the last one I had, which was that ranch one. So this is pretty good. I knew I would like prawns on it because I love prawns. One just fell off. The thing with this 30% off was you had to do it online, but through the link that was in the message. So I was having trouble changing the store because I'd been to another store before and it wouldn't change on me. So I'm there trying to do it. So I thought I'll just see if it's a deal anyway. So I just went through the app, the Domino's app, and it came up at the regular price. So I had to somehow figure out how to change the store, which I finally managed to do. It took a while. It didn't seem to want to let me do it. So mine was $15.45 and yours was $15.90, and which would have been over $31 something. So we saved $9 something all up. Cost $21.95. So not a bad deal. I don't mind paying a bit over $10 for this pizza, like $11 probably it was roughly. Oh, that was good. We're just sitting at the back of my house here. There's a church at the back. That's the church behind us. There's a bit of a car park, so we thought we'd hang out here because no one's around. Do a little video. Have some dinner. So guys, that is a beautiful pizza and I'm so glad I got it, but I'm so glad that Domino's sent me my little text, because I didn't really want to pay $15.45 for it.
And just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video for Domino's.
They just happened to send me a text today. Good for them, good for me. Oh, look who's here. Her Majesty. Do you want a shrimp?
You said you wouldn't be calling it a shrimp.
Oh, well, she doesn't know what it's called, shrimp, prawn. I just mucking around. What do you want, Pop? Want some pizza? You know what? Sometimes when I make pizzas at home inside, she actually eats the pizza cheese if I drop a bit on the ground. Or sometimes I put a bit in a bowl. She loves pizza cheese. She doesn't eat heaps of it, but she'll eat just a little bit. I don't think cheese is good for cats, but just a few little bits, she loves it. I might have one more piece here, guys, and then wind up the video.
Got a review yet, or after that piece?
Hmm?
Got a solid review?
Solid review is, I'd eat that any time again, even full price. But so happy I got it for 30% off, which is almost a third, really. Like a beautiful pizza. And the one good thing about it is, the prawns actually have some good taste. Sometimes that sort of thing can be a bit bland, they have no taste, but they're really good. Anything from you?
Give it a sec.
Chicken, bacon and avocado, wasn't it?
With some onion.
With some onion.
I'm glad I got it. Very nice. Got to thank Domino's for the opportunity. Definitely would get it again, probably at full price as well. So yeah, I'll give it like an 8.5 out of 10.
Very nice. Yeah, 9, 10, I mean it's great. I'm not complaining, there's nothing wrong with it. Got the classic crust, which I like, so... Anyway guys, from 2Aussie and Liam, hope you enjoyed the video. Give you another look where we're saying goodbye. And remember guys, you can never be too Aussie.
Still eating.
And, what are you going to say?
See you later.
Hooroo.